Pyeongtaek-Osong high-speed rail, known globally for its groundbreaking double track design, represents one of the most advanced railway engineering achievements in South Korea's modern transportation history, symbolizing a new era of speed, safety, efficiency, and national infrastructure evolution. As the demand for high-speed connectivity increased between Seoul, Daejeon, Busan, and other major population centers, this corridor became the single most congested high-speed rail segment in the entire nation. To overcome the bottleneck and ensure the smoother movement of next-generation high-speed trains, engineers envisioned a futuristic 4-track configuration, 2 dedicated high-speed tracks in each direction, allowing Korea's fastest trains, such as the KTX Chuncheon, to operate at design speeds nearing 400 km per hour without interference from slower services. This project not only enhances capacity but also opens the door for the country to enter the ultra-high-speed domain, matching the world's most advanced bullet train networks. The entire section stretches approximately 46.9 kilometers, and what makes it exceptional is that nearly 34 kilometers of the line runs underground through massive tunnels engineered with multi-layered safety zones, emergency evacuation platforms, high-intensity ventilation systems, and real-time communication technologies. These systems are built using the latest Korean engineering standards like KTCS2 signaling, LTR railway communication, and IoT-based monitoring systems that continuously analyze vibrations, tunnel temperature, and structural stability. The rail line is designed to withstand high-pressure waves produced by trains running at extremely high speeds through tunnels, ensuring maximum passenger comfort and noise reduction. The new tracks drastically reduce congestion, enabling the daily train operations to increase from roughly 190 to over 380 services per direction, transforming national mobility with unprecedented capacity and punctuality. Alongside the infrastructure, the new next-generation high-speed train, often identified with the KTX Chuncheon family, brings futuristic aerodynamic styling and cutting-edge technical improvements. The train features a beautifully sculpted bullet-shaped nose, optimized through wind tunnel testing to minimize air resistance. Its white and blue metallic livery gives it a sleek, clean, and modern look, making it visually striking on the rails. The interior is designed for comfort and digital modernization. Panoramic LED displays, spacious reclining seats, soft indirect lighting, wide windows, and noise reduction panels create a premium travel environment. The driver's cabin features large touchscreens, advanced automated safety systems, and AI-assisted monitoring tools. Additionally, the train utilizes regenerative braking, energy-efficient traction motors, improved bogies, and lightweight composite materials to reduce vibration, noise, and power consumption. The construction of the double track itself showcases a new level of Korean engineering innovation. Giant tunnel boring machines, robotic welding systems, 3D mapping drones, and BIM, building information modeling, were used throughout the process to ensure perfect alignment, structural accuracy, and fast construction timelines. Massive underground excavation chambers, ventilation shafts, emergency corridors, and waterproofing layers were integrated to guarantee long-term safety. During the assembly phase, the train's body shell is manufactured using precision robotic welding, its aerodynamic panels are shaped with millimeter accuracy, and the entire structure undergoes stress testing to withstand extreme speeds. The pantograph system atop the train ensures stable current collection even at 350 to 400 km per hour, while the advanced suspension system greatly enhances stability, allowing smooth travel on the newly built high-speed corridor. The Pyeongtaek-Osong project is expected to play a crucial role in Korea's future national development strategy, expanding what officials call the 2-hour life zone, where residents can travel between major cities within 2 hours or less, boosting economic activity, tourism, trade, and regional development. When launched, the combined effect of the double track and the new high-speed train will reduce travel times, increase safety, and transform South Korea into a global leader in railway technology. High-speed experts predict that this corridor will become the backbone of future Korean train innovations, including trains capable of 430 km per hour and beyond. Even during nighttime operations, the train's bright LED headlights illuminate the sleek aerodynamic face, creating stunning reflections on the polished rails. In rainy weather, the powerful windshield systems and aerodynamic shaping help the train cut through heavy storms while maintaining high stability. The project also significantly reduces greenhouse emissions, as more passengers switch from cars and planes to trains, supporting Korea's long-term climate goals. When the train arrives at futuristic stations, passengers experience smooth boarding, digital ticket gates, clean platforms, and real-time information screens. Every element of the Pyeongtaek-Loseon high-speed rail and the new Korean bullet train reflects precision, ambition, and the desire to push technological boundaries. With state-of-the-art materials, the use of artificial intelligence for predictive maintenance, and the application of smart railway technologies, this project stands as a global symbol of progress. From its beautiful aerodynamic front, powerful headlights, streamlined rear, and meticulously engineered top panel to its advanced engine modules, interior luxury, and flawless assembly process, the entire system represents a masterpiece of engineering, design, and future mobility. As the world moves toward more sustainable, faster, and safer transportation, the Pyeongtaek-Loseon high-speed corridor proves that South Korea is not only keeping pace but setting new standards for the future of rail travel.